Let's make a single crochet 2 together decrease. So this is using single crochet to reduce your stitch count. It's very easy. There's the loop on my hook, no yarn over because we're doing single crochet. All you've got to do is go into the first designated spot and pull up a loop and hold it. Then you go to the second designated spot, pull up another loop and hold it. You've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that is your single crochet decrease. Gone from 2 stitches down to 1. Do it again. Just move over. Go into the first spot, pull up a loop. Second spot, pull up another loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and you have now decreased again. Easy. I'll do it again. 1, 2, pull through. 1, 2, pull through. This is going to pull my work cinched in, but that's the whole point, isn't it? It's a decrease, so it's going to pull everything in. So unless there are stitches in between, it's going to pull. So it's used for shaping, you know, especially going around corners of shoes, slippers and things like that. So it's used for shaping mainly. Okay, let's do it one more time. Pull up a loop in the first stitch, pull up a loop in the second stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all, and that is your single crochet 2 together decrease. Till next time.